Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the only way pudding. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This ensures a perfect texture. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and salt. Gradually pour in the milk, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring constantly. Keep stirring until the pudding visibly thickens, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Patience here is key for a smooth result. Once your pudding has thickened beautifully, remove it from the heat immediately. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful aroma and flavor. Carefully pour the warm pudding into your chosen serving dishes or a single bowl. To avoid that undesirable skin on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. This step is crucial for a creamy finish. Finally, the waiting game. Place your covered pudding in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it's thoroughly chilled and set. A cold pudding is truly the best pudding. When you're ready to enjoy, simply remove the plastic wrap and serve. It's wonderful on its own, or you can add fresh fruit, whipped cream, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Enjoy your perfectly made, creamy treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.